The ultimate chunky chocolate peanut butter, did I say chocolate? Cookie. This guy is so loaded, and yeah, there's like a few little secret ingredients here. These are my Choc peanut butter crack cookies. Well, I've literally eaten like 50 of these and I still love them. Oh my goodness, we have to get these out of our lives. We've got to get rid of them. Don't make any more. We can't make any more. All right, these cookies are like so loaded with so much stuff, and we have literally been testing them for weeks, haven't we, guys? Have we been testing them for weeks? I've literally eaten so many of these. But the good news is that we now have the perfect recipe just for you. So let's get into this recipe, shall we? First off, we want some butter. Now we need a mix here of brown sugar and some caster sugar. Now we want to mix this until everything is well combined and kind of creamy like. Okay, so once things are looking a bit like this, then you just want to scrape everything down. And now we go in with some fun things. The start of the fun things. First of all, some miso paste. So this is gonna add a little salty kind of kick to everything, which just makes things so much more yum, I think. All right, so miso goes in and some peanut butter. Now I'm a crunchy kind of girl, so you could go smooth. I like crunchy. Are you smooth or crunchy? Let me know. Dax, are you smooth or crunchy? What are you?
Crunchy.
You crunchy?
All the way.
Haley?
Crunchy.
Crunchy. All the good people like crunchy. Okay, give this a mix. Okay, so once things are looking like they're very well mixed in there, just scrape that bowl down again. Now we need an egg. And just another little hit of salt. So, you know, obviously I don't want this to be overly salty, but I think when you add that extra element of salt to sweet things, it really, I don't know, like it accentuates the sweetness, it accentuates all the flavors. So yeah, I mean, I really like it. Salty, the chocolate, the peanut butter, oh, it all works so well. Okay, give that another mix. Okay, so we're gonna go with some flour here. Now, I'm using a low protein or what might be known as a cake or cookie flour, which you can find in your baking section in the supermarket. Look, that's just gonna give you like a lighter, crispier kind of cookie. But if you've just got all-purpose or plain flour, that's cool as well. Now, what I do wanna do is just get about a third of that flour in first, and I'm gonna mix that in, and that's gonna help to keep things nice and smooth and not get those lumpy, floury bits. Okay, let's do that first. So now we can add in the baking powder and the rest of our flour. I tell you what, like this is already smelling so good, like the peanut and the, yum. Okay, so let's grab this out. Now we can add in even more fun stuff, okay? I have got some chocolate here, and I would rather, if you could, use some nice big blocks of chocolate, because I do want nice big chunks of this rather than sort of like small little choc chips. Now I'm using a dark chocolate today, but you could do a milk chocolate if you want to. Okay, chocolate goes in. Next up, chopped roasted peanuts, and just fold that in. It's almost like there's more chocolate and peanuts than cookie dough. That's not a problem. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Okay, cookie dough is ready to go. I'm gonna go in here with an ice cream scoop because it's easy and fun. You could just get in here actually with your hands and just roll some little balls of the cookie dough. But I mean, look at that. It's like scooping ice cream, but it's cookie dough. Okay, so these need to go in the fridge 15 minutes just to chill down a little bit until we move on to the next part, because we're not finished with these guys yet. There's more things to come. Okay, so these are out of the fridge, they're ready to go, and you're gonna think I'm a little crazy, but we're gonna do like a cookie crumbing station here. Trust me, this is gonna be epic. All right, okay, so first of all, I'm gonna get some of my peanuts into a little plate here. So these are just more chopped roasted peanuts. I've got some dark chocolate here, and I have some more peanut butter. So I'm gonna get a little scoop of peanut butter and just smear that onto the top of each of these little ice cream balls of cookie dough. Okay, so here's how this goes. Grab yourself a little ball of cookie dough, sprinkle over some chocolate on the top, some chopped chocolate. Now, into your peanuts, roll that around. Woohoo, look at that. That is one loaded ball of cookie dough. Okay, keep going. And don't eat all that cookie dough, although it is really good to eat. I mean, really what you should be doing is like saving half the cookie dough, putting it in some ice cream. Okay, so these are ready to go. I've got my oven at 160 Celsius. Now, cooking time between 15 and 20 minutes. And I say that because it depends on how big your scoops of cookie dough are. But you'll see, you'll get a beautiful golden edge around the outside. We'll come back and have a look. All right, so things are currently smelling like cookie heaven. Now, these guys are gonna look, see how they've kind of got that golden edge, but if you kind of move them around now, they'll be very soft. So you need to exercise some patience and just let them sit around for at least 10, even 15 minutes and just wait till they firm up a little bit. Don't touch them, Dax, because okay, we're back. These cookies are looking amazing. Let's just get them out here. They're still a little warm and a little bit soft, but still good. Okay, should we get in here and have a look? Let's get in here and have a look. Okay, so just break one open. Oh, wow. That chocolate, I mean, look at that ooze. That's just incredible. I love it. I love it so much. But let's just try one, shall we? That is, I mean, I call it a crack cookie for a reason, because it's like the mix of its saltiness and the sweet chocolate and the peanut and peanut butter, and it's like literally telling you that you have to keep eating these for a long time. It's seriously addictive. Oh my goodness. So yum. Hey friends, I hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, why not hit the like button? And even better, I would love so much if you would subscribe and even hit that little bell button so you get notified every time I release a new delicious video. Thanks guys.